Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now if you know me, you know how much I am obsessed with all things chicken. So today I'm going to be teaching you how I prepare my super flavorful fried chicken. I'm using 2 thighs and 6 legs. I've washed them and I've patted them dry. I'm now going to season my chicken by using 1/2 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, 3 tablespoons of buffalo chicken seasoning, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, MSG, and garlic powder. Now the MSG is definitely optional because I know some people do not use that in their food. I'm then going to add 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder and 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, and I'm going to give that a generous mix so that the meat can marry with the seasonings. Then I'm going to add 1/4 cup of cold milk. Just a reminder, as always, the measurements and ingredients that I am using are in the description box below. I'm using a deep fryer to fry my chicken. I've heated my oil up to 320 degrees Fahrenheit, or in other words, 160 degrees Celsius. But before I fry them, I'm going to cover them in a coating. Now this coating is a combination of flour, shake and bake mix, parsley, and black pepper. If you don't have any shake and bake mix on hand, don't worry about it. You can use crushed up croutons if you wanted to, or any type of breadcrumbs. Now once this is all done, I'm going to add it to my preheated fryer for 7 minutes. At this point it's been 7 minutes and I wanted to check on my chicken. As you can see, it's looking crispy and delicious and everything you want in a piece of fried chicken. But I'm just going to flip them over and put them back in for another 7 minutes before taking them out. Alright, so there you have it. It's been 14 minutes in total. My chicken has a crispy texture and a beautiful golden brown color. I'm just going to take it out of the deep fryer now and move on to preparing my French fries. Because what's some fried chicken without any French fries? Now, I've cut my potatoes in half, as you can see here, and then I'm going to cut it in half once again, so I'm left with 4 flattish pieces. The reason is because I personally prefer my fries sort of thin and not chunky. I'm going to continue this process until I'm all done and season it with some salt, black pepper, paprika, buffalo chicken seasoning, and chili powder. Now I'm going to add my French fries to the deep fryer for 7 minutes on each side. Alright guys, at this point my French fries are all done and it's ready to be plated with my fried chicken. I hope that you guys enjoyed this recipe and tried it out at home, and feel free to tweak it to suit your taste buds. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave all your comments below. I'm definitely about to eat a piece or 2 or maybe 3 of chicken. Anyways, thanks for watching and see you next time.